Well, I was working on the tree service maple, and I had a bunch of it stacked up on the processor, and I've handled it a few times now, putting it in the log pile and then bringing it up here to the processor. So I was feeding some pieces in, and all of a sudden I pulled the saw down and it made a horrible noise. Well, guess what? Look what I hit. Right there. It's a galvanized square-headed bolt and a metal plate. So I did a fine job on my chain. Never even saw it. Never saw it. I had just finished my chain sharpening video, and then this happened. There's a missing tooth. So I haven't inspected each individual tooth, but I have to go back through and resharpen the blade, and I guess I'm going to run it with that missing tooth and see. It'll probably be okay. It's not bent over in a bad way or anything, it's just gone. So we'll see what it looks like. Worst case, I put a new blade on. So the moral of the story is, when you're messing around with tree service wood, take a look at it very carefully before you cut into it. I had found some other pieces of metal in the wood, and I thought I had found them all. Apparently I missed one. Anyway, so that's all for right now. I'm going to sharpen the blade. I'm not going to do another video of that. So thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for subscribing to my channel.